the pressure cooker capital. 150,000 students, one city, a $1 billion industry built on success and stress. Welcome to Kota, the coaching capital of India. Kota wasn't always a student hub. It was a small, quiet town in Rajasthan. In the 1980s, Vinod Kumar Bansal started a small coaching center. His unique teaching style attracted more and more students. Soon, Kota's transformation into a coaching hub began. Other coaching giants like Allen and Resonance followed. Kota was no longer just a town, it was becoming a dream factory. Today, over 150,000 students flood Kota every year. An entire economy has grown around these students. Hostel, mess halls, and shops, all serving the coaching industry. Kota's coaching industry generates over rupees 3,000 crore a year. The entire city revolves around coaching. It's all about one thing: success. Kota is ruled by a few major players: Allen, Resonance, and Vibrant Academy. These institutes offer intense, disciplined programs, weekly tests, personal mentors, and non stop studying. For many, it's a never ending grind. One student says everything revolves around ranks and results. In Kota, the competition is fierce and relentless, but the pressure to succeed can be overwhelming. Students study 10 to 14 hours a day every day. Mental health issues have become a serious concern. Tragically, over 150 students have taken their own lives since 2011. The pressure can sometimes be too much to handle. In Kota, success comes with a heavy price. Now, in the new age, the rise of online education is changing the game. Platforms like Byju's and Unacademy are challenging the Kota model. Students can now access quality education from home, but Kota's legacy still stands strong. For many, Kota is still the ultimate test of endurance and excellence. What's next for Kota? Only time will tell. So, is Kota a dream factory or a pressure cooker? Let us know.